Select a grenade. Pull the pin out. Now it's ready. Yeah, that's right. I never shot one. It's fun. Okay.
Hold on, let me move.
He's working without a harness. Yes, no harness. I need to call Safety Man. Safety Man, this is Captain Carl. I'll meet you on the port side. There's someone out there without a harness.
Holy smokes, there he is! Hello, unsafe crew member.
Who are you?
I am Safety Man. Captain Carl sent me. He told me you weren't wearing a harness while you were cleaning.
Oh no, I hope I'm not in trouble.
No, unsafe crew member, you aren't in trouble. But here, try this.
Wow, what's this?
This is a harness.
Do I put it on just like this?
Absolutely you do. By any chance, do you have any hot crew members on board?
Yes, usually they lay out on the bow.
Well, all right.
Thanks, Safety Man.
Enjoy. Look, a hot stewardess. Thanks for the kiss, Kool-Aid.
I love you, Safety Man. You're my hero.
I sense a crew member being unsafe somewhere. Hello there, third engineer / deckhand.
Holy jumping jackrabbits, who are you?
I'm Safety Man. Didn't the chief tell you that you're supposed to wear ear protection and goggles in the engine room at all times? Here, try these. These will help protect you when you're grinding and from the noise of the engines.
Thanks, Safety Man. You're my hero.
Anytime, crew member. Be safe. Safety first!
And then I'll rotate in.